Okay, today's camper is an Argosy. This is a 1973 named Miss Gussy. And they've got lots of Halloween decorations out. And this is Peter. Hello, Peter. And Peter's going to show us his camper, give us a tour. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Alrighty, let's do it. They've got lots of decorations out here, and at nighttime it's all lit up. So tell me, what year is your camper?
This is a 1973 Argosy 26 twin. Twin beds, midships, bathroom in the back, living room and kitchen in the front.
Okay.
We've had her for almost 3 years. She looked a lot different when we got her. And
a lot worse?
A lot worse.
And did you just find it on Craigslist, or where did you find it at?
Facebook Marketplace, I think, is where we found it.
Okay.
And, water in Dawsonville, Georgia, from a newspaper publisher who was using it for a man cave.
So he didn't have it all fixed up fancy.
He had it. He had a Western theme that
Okay.
He watched old Western movies on his TV in there and stuff. And it wasn't our jam, but we really liked the, as you see when you get inside, the Harvest Gold interior. And of the 4 or 5 people that were looking to buy this trailer, we were the only ones that weren't intent on gutting it and starting over. So he made the decision that we would get her.
Well, that was good. So the outside color, is that original?
That is not. The outside color was chosen because we saw the awning first.
Okay.
And we matched the yellow and the middle stripe brown to the trailer. So the awning came first, and we matched the paint on the trailer to it so that we would...
Which is easier than doing it the other way around.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right,
Absolutely.
let's see inside.
Big step going in, because we're not the most level campsite in town.
All right. Wow, this is like a regular living room. This is pretty cozy.
It suits our needs. Wall hugger recliners, so they don't get in the way, and they just stay right where they are when you flip them out.
And they're really close to the wall. Yeah. And you can fully extend them.
Yep.
Okay. So she's got a lot of decorations in here. It's one thing with the vintage campers, it's the accessories that just make it more homey.
We did all the white surfaces you see were kind of a oatmeal-y, not real pretty beige, and it was darker than we wanted it to be on the inside, so we added the beadboard here, and in the kitchen to give it some brightness.
And this cabinetry, is it all original?
All the cabinetry is original. That doesn't mean it hasn't been re-riveted again.
Okay.
More than once, but it is original to the unit.
And I've seen a few with the twin beds, so I guess that was kind of common.
Let me slip by you, and I want to open this curtain with one.
They even have the back bedroom all decorated. And did she paint that sign there?
No. We love junking in thrift stores. I'm sure that's where it came from.
Okay.
We came by this trailer and stuff honestly. Discovered a picture not long ago. I thought it was a Yellowstone. This trailer over here is my grandmother and what she lived in until she died in the early 60s.
And she lived in that.
And she lived in that.
Yeah. So it's not such a new concept.
No.
And you have a lot of masks.
Yes.
One for each outfit.
Yeah, I don't have quite as many in here, but I have a truck full of them too. So.
And there's the bathroom.
To your left in the bathroom, you won't see another bathtub like that one.
Oh, is that the thing for the animals?
Yep, it's a Tractor Supply water trough.
Excuse me. Okay. I'm jealous of people having bathrooms in their campers. I need to have a camper with a bathroom.
And of course, we added to put these curtains back up just because we needed it to be a little closer to dark longer in the morning than it normally was. The Pete the Cat pictures, the guy who drew those was an engineering graduate from Auburn University. He's got a whole series of children's books. And of course, if you've got Pete the Cat and Airstream, it has to be in your trailer.
Okay.
And there he is.
The 1973 calendar. All right, well, thank you for showing me, and I'm going to walk around the back a little bit outside.
Yep, there's probably some Halloween decorations back there too.
Thanks for the tour. Happy camping.
Remember that second
Watch
step
the
is
step.
a doozy.
Okay. And we'll walk around back here. Yep, there's decorations back here because they face the road. Some stickers. I need to give them one of my stickers. Okay guys, that's it for today. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. I've taken a lot of videos at this vintage camper rally and I'll be posting each one. Happy camping!